practice English speaking.
Do you feel nervous when you speak English?
Do you know many English words, but you feel stuck when you talk?
Maybe you understand English, but when you open your mouth, nothing comes out.
Or you worry about mistakes, so you stay quiet.
If this sounds like you, don't worry.
You are not alone.
Today, we will practice simple, daily English sentences together.
Easy sentences you can use every day.
No pressure.
No grammar rules.
Just listening and speaking practice.
Stay with us and speak slowly with us.
Jake, let's start with morning sentences.
Good idea. These are very common.
I wake up early.
I wake up early too.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth every morning.
I take a shower.
I take a quick shower.
I make my bed.
I make my bed after waking up.
I drink a glass of water.
I drink water before breakfast.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
Now, let's talk about food.
Yes, daily life English.
I am hungry.
I am very hungry.
I want to eat something.
I want to eat breakfast.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat eggs.
I like this food.
I like it too.
This tastes good.
Yes, it tastes really good.
I am full now.
I'm full too.
Let's move to work and study sentences.
These are very useful.
I go to work.
I go to work every day.
I work from home.
I work in an office.
I start work at 9.
I finish work at 5.
I am busy today.
I am very busy today.
I need a break.
Yes, I need a short break.
I have a meeting.
I have a meeting later.
Feelings are important in English.
Yes, we use them daily.
I feel happy.
I feel relaxed.
I feel tired.
I feel tired after work.
I am stressed.
I'm a little stressed today.
I need some rest.
I need to relax.
I feel better now.
That's good to hear.
Now let's practice questions.
Very important for conversation.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am watching a video.
Where are you going?
I'm going home.
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
These sentences are very common.
You can use them every day.
I am on my way.
I am on my way home.
Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
I will be back soon.
Okay, take your time.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go now.
I am ready.
I am ready too.
Let's practice friendly English, like real people talk. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Long time no see. Yes, it's been a long time. How was your day? My day was good. That sounds nice. Thank you. See you later. See you soon. Sometimes we have problems, and we talk about them. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Please speak slowly. Of course, no problem. I made a mistake. That's okay. I will try again. Good job. Keep trying. I wake up early.
I wake up early too.
I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
I drink a glass of water.
I feel sleepy in the morning.
I make my bed.
I make my bed after waking up.
I am hungry.
I want to eat breakfast.
I like this food.
It tastes really good.
I am full now.
Me too.
I go to work every day.
I start work at 9.
I am busy today.
I need a short break.
I have a meeting later.
I will join too.
I feel happy.
I feel a little tired.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am watching a video.
I am on my way.
I am on my way home.
Please wait a moment.
Sure, no problem.
I will be back soon.
Okay, take your time.
Let's go.
Yes, let's go now.
I am ready.
I am ready too.
Social and friendly talk. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Long time no see.
Yes, it's been a long time.
How was your day?
My day was good.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
See you later.
See you soon.
I am going home.
I want to relax.
I am going to sleep.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, Jake. Great job practicing today.
Repeat these sentences every day.
Speak slowly and feel confident.
Practice makes perfect.
See you next time.
Bye.